This was per the request of one of the viewers on the disassembly of the Advantage Arms slide. Very easily maintained. Pop it out like you do your factory. Barrel comes out. And for this next part, you really don't need to do that. But I figured I'd show it anyways. There is a little cup right there that retains the firing pin. You're just going to take something, you're going to get in there, pull it back, slide the back plate off. Then everything comes right out, okay? Comes right out, just like that. Then, in order to get the firing pin, the spring off the firing pin, you just take the spring, and you got these little cups that split in half. Comes apart. That slides out. It's that easy. Reverse it, slide it back in, slide the spring. This is the only part that really gets tricky, especially when you're trying to show it. Come in, hold it back. Take one of the springs, because you gotta get past this little part right here. Just kind of slip it on, grab it, take the next one, pull it back. There we go, all back together. Then you take it, you slip it, the firing pin is, hold on a minute. There's a gap right there, so we're going to have to adjust this a little bit. There we go, because you want to make sure that top of the cup's actually below that notch, okay? So it fits in there right, and just take it, slip it in there, which apparently I'm going to have to clean this. Slip it in, and in order to get the back plate, you're just going to take this excess piece right here and push it, and you're going to grab this, you're going to hold that back, then you're going to take your back plate and line it up. And this is obviously a lot easier when you're not trying to demonstrate it, because your angles are going to be different. Make sure you have it the right way. Slip it in, let it go. Now it's back the way it should be. Maybe. Now it's back the way it should be. One thing to keep in mind, I do have to take this apart anyways to clean it, but don't touch the screw. For whatever reason, their Advantage Arm says do not disassemble that screw. Kind of can understand why, because it looks like it's going to completely mess some things up, and probably difficult to get it back together. So that's pretty much how you take the firing pin out. And just when you get it back together, pull it back, make sure everything's moving freely. Then you're going to want to push this right here and make sure that it is working properly. So things function. Just take the barrel. We got to line our little extractor back up here. We're just going to slip it in. And we're just going to light up the mill marks. Make sure that's forward. And pop it back together. That easy. Hope this answered your question. Until next time.